Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about characteristics of mobile computing. So the different characteristics of mobile computing are ubiquity, then location awareness, adaptation, broadcast, and personalization. Now first we will start from ubiquity. Ubiquity means present anywhere, means it has the ability to perform its computational tasks being anywhere. Ubiquity means you can move from one place to another, but the computations will not be stopped. So that is what we can call it as a ubiquity. This is the first characteristics of mobile computing. Next is location awareness. So when you are connected with the network, your device will be always having the location awareness, means your device which is connected with the base station will always keep a record of your existing location. And how this is done we will discuss in the future class, how it will keep the record into the base station. Now you have a GPS where your device location can be, or the current location can be stored or tracked. Suppose assume that a person is traveling by road in a car, may find out a car maintenance service. We know that, we know how to use a GPS. It's not necessary for me to explain much about this, because most of us are using GPS. Suppose assume that we want a particular suppose assume that you are in Bangalore and you want to search Sapna Book House. So in your GPS you can set Sapna Book House and you can follow the path what is specified in the GPS and you can reach to the Sapna Book House location. So that way the mobile computing provides us a location awareness. Next is adaptation. Adaptation is the ability of the system to adjust to the bandwidth fluctuation without inconveniencing the user. That means sometime you must have noticed, suppose assume that you are we have to understand this concept very clearly. What do you mean by adjusting to the bandwidth? So mobile computing provides us a different bandwidth such as 2G, 3G, 4G, the 5G is yet to come. The LTE what we are using is called as a 4G. Now if you are in a very good network area of your mobile, then you will be getting a 4G if your handset is a 4G. Suppose assume that you are in the weak network area where your handset doesn't get a high signal, then automatically your mobile adjusts to either 3G or 4G. You must have noticed it in your mobile. So when you are not in the network nearest network range and you are away from the towers, then what happens, you will be shifted from 4G to some 3G or 2G. That is what we call it as a adjusting to the bandwidth fluctuation. Then user will not be intervened. Next is a broadcast. It provides us ability to broadcast, because you see here, if you take an example of the tower, so tower can connect multiple users and the data delivery can be done effectively simultaneously on the data network. You can send the data to the multiple users, so that is what we call broadcasting. When you are sending the information, maybe a message or something, to the multiple user, that is called as a broadcasting. And mobile computing environment provides us a broadcasting feature. We can take the example of sending multiple SMSs. We can take an example of sending multiple messages over WhatsApp. These are examples of the broadcast. Next is personalization. So your data can be easily personalized according to the user profile. Suppose assume that user may need certain type of information from specific source. That can be easily done through the personalization. You can personalize your data. You can personalize the services in your mobile. When you want it, you can access it using some shortcuts or something like that. So these are some of the characteristics of mobile computing.